Hello students, so coming back to section 15, that is biodiversity and conservation. Here in this class, we will discuss two main topics. One is latitudinal gradient and another one is species area relationship. We will discuss it one by one. Now come to latitudinal gradient. So it's a point in the point is that if you move from equator towards the polar region, then definitely the diversity will decrease. However, the diversity of organism is not uniform throughout the world. Okay, so to understand this, first let us discuss something about the climatic zone of the earth. Earth climatic zone se and this climatic zone of the earth can be divided into three zones: tropical, temperate, and polar. Tropical se karma jagana kan it is the region of the earth which lies between 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. Okay, sigi jaga sta kadoge kan that there is little temperature variation. Aduna sigi jaga da more diversity is found. Okay, next come to temperate zone. Temperate zone se karma it is a region of the earth which lies between 23.5 degree north or south to 66.5 degree north or south. Sigi jaga se the temperature se variation never. Because of that, this region will experience a warm summer and a very cold winter. Because of that, the diversity of organism will definitely decrease. Kana compare to Okanda as we compare to tropical zone. Now come to polar zone. Polar zone se karma jaga tare. Actually, it is the region of the earth which extend from 66.5 degree latitude to the pole. It may be North Pole or it may be South Pole. And sigi jaga se kadawne kanda the diversity of organism will be very less. Karigino harakanda di sigi region se they will have what short and even cold summer and a very long and cold winter. Okay, so this about the climatic zone of the earth. See kanda from this point we get one important point. Adu important point so karino hai the maximum number of biodiversity is found between 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. So it's the maximum number of species fangane as compared to temperate and polar region. So to understand this, let us take one simple example. Example means so Colombia, which is located near the equator. Near the equator, definitely Colombia is situated in the tropical region. It has about 1400 species of bird. New York area, it is located in the temperate region, and this New York has about 105 species of bird. And Greenland, which is situated in the polar region, has about 56 species of bird. India say, which lies in the tropical region, has more than 1200 species of bird. So all these things indicate that there is more species diversity in tropical region as compared to temperate or polar region. Another point is that this Amazon rainforest, which is located in tropical region, has the greatest biodiversity on earth, and it has more than 40,000 species of plants, 427 species of mammals, 3,000 species of fishes, 1,300 species of birds, 370 species of reptiles, 427 species of amphibians, and about 1,25,000 species of invertebrates. Okay. Next, we will discuss one important point, and that is why there is more biodiversity in tropical region as compared to temperate and polar region. Ngasai akhoi discussion na khangre pa tropical region dana diversity yam heli adu karigino habadu adu discuss ose. So here ecologists and biologists has proposed three important hypotheses for more number of species diversity in tropical as compared to temperate region, and we will discuss these three hypotheses one by one. Okay. Come to point number one, speciation, that is formation of new species. Actually, it is the function of time. And here, the temperate region have undergone frequent glaciation and even killed most of the species. But no such disturbance occur in tropical region. And because of this, the species continue to survive and evolve. Okay? Aduita is the high skin hina. Speciation, the formation of new species have a say, matamgi matu ina lakmani have. Aduga ngasagi temperate region city yam tuina kadoke kanda magi climatic condition da fluctuation lebanina organism singse survive to ngamaroba. On other side, tropical region da di sigi climatic change da yamna disturbance like table adum almost constant where labor aduna organism singse kadoni survive to ngamani aduga evolve to ngamani aduna kadora there will be more number of species in Canada tropical region as compared to temperate region. This is point number one. Come to point number 2. So as compared to temperate region, these tropical environment are less seasonal, relatively more constant and predictable. Because of this constant environmental condition, they can promote what? Niche specialization and greater species diversity. Habadi, ngasai temperature tropical ka compare orakandadi tropical region sidi less seasonal oibanina aduga lariba environmental condition to more constant oibanina particular organism amana my particular habitat se constant in a form to ngameba magi particular habitat to form to definitely they will survive auna moy survive to vibe se kadore pasana it will help in more species diversity in this tropical region as compared to temperate region. This is point number 2. Come to point number 3. So there is more solar radiation available in the tropical region, and this will contribute directly to more productivity and indirectly to greater species diversity. Habadi, ngasai tropical regions na more solar radiation fangabanina, definitely the rate of photosynthesis will be high. Ado photosynthesis ki rate high obviously masana productivity will be more. Natra adna product days photo labor taragadi masana indirectly kadore there will be more number of species. Okay, so this is point number 3 for more number of species diversity in tropical region as compared to temperate region. Next, come to species area relationship. So here what you have to do is you can by heart the equation given here, and there is no derivatives, and you can by heart the value of this equation also. Okay, so what is this species area relationship? Actually, this is the observation made by a German scientist by the name Alexander von Humboldt. So while studying this South American jungle, he found that within a particular region, the species richness will increase with increased export area, but up to a certain limit. So this is the observation made by Alexander von Humboldt. As the hunting is a species area relationship the high second particular reason amada anova area se export over taragadi species ki richness diversity se hengalakani have adubu my limitation amalagani have never. So this is the observation of Alexander von Humboldt. And if the relationship between this species richness and area of a number of taxa are plotted in the form of a graph, then definitely you will get a rectangular hyperbola. Okay, and the relationship will be a straight line on a logarithm scale. So this straight line can be represented by the equation log s equal to log c plus z log a, and here this z it represent the slope of the line. Next, come to the significance of slope of the line, that is z in a species area relationship. Actually, it will be given point, you can by heart it. So here the value of z always lies in the range of 0.1 to 0.2 when analysis is done among small area regardless of taxonomic group or any particular region. Aduna na any jaga na know any group na know ba ngasai z ki value se kya da laigane kanda 0.1 dakina 0.2 bomong da laigadaba. But if the species area relationship is done for a very large area just like the entire continent, then the slope of the line become much steeper and its value will change. It will become what? It will range from where to where? 0.6 to 1.2. Aruna achoba area man ina bataragadi kadawani z line se steeper obe helani aduga my value se change lakani ar my range se kya lagina kanda 0.6 takina 1.2 bor lagani. For example, the value of z will be 1.154 for frugivorous birds or mammals in the tropical forest, okay, of different continent. Okay, so this is something about species area relationship. Like this, we have come to the end of this class, and today we have discussed two important topics. One is why there is more species diversity in tropical region as compared to temperate, and one is what? Species area relationship. And hope you can understand each and every point, and thank you very much for your attention.